Hey guys, Pavin here, and today I'm going to talk about how I color my iOS and Android apps. So, color meaning the background colors, label colors, border colors, green, reds, everything. So, first I create a primary color, which is like the brand color that I have. So, that's common in like web apps and everything. So, the primary color this is kind of an orange hex color for primary. So, that's whatever the brand color is, so that's definite in all my mobile apps. Then background color is usually the iOS background color. So this create platform color uses the React Native platform color attribute, and it just uses whatever the default color in an iOS app or an Android app will be. So for this, it uses the background color in iOS here, and in Android it uses this color, or else it uses a fallback of this color. You can see that here, if iOS use this color, if Android use this one, or else use the fallback color. So for background, again, iOS color, label, whatever the iOS label is, secondary label, or the secondary label is, and it also adds the background color from my app itself. And system red, green, again, iOS colors, border colors is separated from iOS, and list divider from Android. And adaptive white, adaptive black is for dark mode, light mode toggle. So when using dark mode, in maybe in buttons, it should change colors. So adaptive white is will adapt to the dark mode, white mode, so it just changes colors in dark mode and light mode. So yeah, and one more thing is border width. I usually use hairline width, so it's even thinner. So in modern phones, it's the borders are not too thick, and it's very easy to look at. So yeah, that's it. So try as much as you can to use the platform color itself, what are the iOS colors and the Android colors, so that makes your app look and feel very native. And that's why I use mostly iOS colors, except for the primary color, which we need for the brand. But if you're designing something for mobile apps, try to make it look as native as possible, which with some good touches of your brand design that will look the best. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.